Hello, good night everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rama Saputra from engineering class C1 with name 3412101088. And here I will explain about in the function and how to use the fish script. Fish script. Fish script is a type of pillars that has a looking bolt on the handle. On this occasion, we will explain what are the functions of crocodile pillars and how to use them. The function of this pillar is to hold and look objects because if the look has been pressed, then the object will be pinched firmly without having to hold the handle of the pillars. How to use this fish grip is also very easy. If we are going to clamp an object with a fish grip, we can follow this step, and the first step is to insert the object into the jaw, and the two, then adjust the looking board while pressing the handle of the piers and estimate the grip strength. And three, after that, press the handle of the pliers until it clicks, which indicate the pliers have looked. For to release the grip, simply press release lever which is between the handle of the pliers down. Thus an explanation of the function of fish grip and how to use them. And thank you.